Now I've got the shard. But what do I do with it? What is it? Am I supposed to take it somewhere? What's so special about this shard?
Wonder who that is. Poor chap. Looks awful worried. That's too bad. Worrying never did no one no good no how. Thor provides for all her creatures, big and small. I mean, look at me. Roof over my head, full belly, not a care in the world. What? Huh? What? Excuse me, good sir. Well, that's me house you're chomping at. If you don't go away, I'm gonna have to do something. Don't say I didn't warn you. Silly carton. Looks like this unwelcome guest won't be bested so easily. Time to get serious. You stupid god, why would... Don't come back. Okay. I guess I'm in the market for a bigger place anyhow. You lot wouldn't know a hollow log in the neighborhood, would you?